Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to get Appleware Executor on any iOS. Now, first thing you should do is to simply open your browser. Then you should go to their official website, Apple-Ware, and click on the download now button. Now, this software is very necessary in order to improve the performance of Roblox on your iOS. And by using this software, it will also make it easier to you to use any codes or scripts while playing the Roblox game on your iOS. After you click on download now, you'll have to scroll down a little bit till you find here download Appleware. Just click on it, and after that will be downloaded to your phone. Now you'll have to go to your file manager, and here on the top right corner, click on these three dots, click on import, then choose the file that we have downloaded, Appleware 2.00. You just have to import it. It will ask you if you want to import it or not. Just click on import. Then what you should do right now is to go to the application itself like this and click on install, and you can install it using a specific program like eSign. And after installing it, here you are, you have the game. You can now open Roblox, and as you can see here, I have the Appleware window that I can actually use inside the game. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.